Rahul, where is Mom?
I think she is in the prayer room.
Mom, why do people go to the temples and mosques?
People go to temples and mosques to pray and seek blessings from God. It's a way to show gratitude and find peace.
Do people pray only in temples and mosques?
No, Rahul. Different people worship God in different ways.
Mom, can you tell us more about these places?
Of course. Let's start with Hindu temples. A Hindu temple is a special place where people who follow the Hinduism go to pray and worship.
It is a beautiful building with statues of different gods and goddesses, colorful decorations, and sometimes even tall towers. Many people offer fruits, flowers, and sweets. And you know, Aisha and Rahul, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Bhagavad Gita are the sacred texts of Hindus.
I want to read the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Bhagavad Gita.
Sure, Aisha.
Are there similar places of worship for other religions too, Mom?
Yes, there are. For Muslims, they have mosques. Imagine tall towers and beautiful domes where people come together to pray.
Do they pray differently there?
Yes, they have a special ritual called Salah, where they bow and recite verses from the Quran.
What about other religions, Mom?
Well, Sikhs go to Gurudwaras, where they pray and share meals together. Their holy book is called the Guru Granth Sahib.
Wow, Mom, I want to go to Gurudwaras and watch how they worship. And what about Christians?
Well, Aisha, Christians have churches and they pray to Jesus Christ, and their holy book is called the Bible.
Mom, what about Buddhists and Jains? Do they also have different place of worship and have different holy books?
Yes, Rahul. Buddhists worship God in a temple called pagodas. They believe in the teachings of Gautam Buddha. Jains worship in a Jain temple called Derasar.
What about Parsis, Mom?
The Parsis worship in the fire temples and their holy book is called the Zend Avesta. Each one is unique and special in its own way.
It's amazing how many ways people find to connect with God.
Exactly, Aisha. And it's important to respect and appreciate the diversity of beliefs and practices. I'm glad we had this chat. Learning about different places of worship helps us grow and connect with others.
Yes, I feel like I've traveled the world without leaving the breakfast table.